that for the first time, in fact, in the history of the state, some major interventions in regards to the utility of the land that is owned by the government and the different departments of the government is being done in Shillong city. Close to about 25 acres of land belonging to government is going to be rationalized, and we will try to utilize maximum the entire land utility with the objective of decreasing the congestion in the city, creating more walking space, and creating overall more beautification for Shillong city. So behind me, as you can see, that we have the Barik point, and this is a PWD land area. There is a plan to completely utilize this to create an open space for the public, create a parking space on the side, and have small buildings which will be more like museums and promote the culture of us, of our state and the history of our state. At the same time, have small eating joints and small place where tourists can come in and really get an experience of Shillong city. At the same time, right here, we also intend to have a very high national flag hoisted here, which will be, as I said, at the heart of the city, which will again be a very strong icon in the city in the center of the city, which again will send a very strong message. So that is what the plan is for the Barik point out here, and we expect that by July end or by August we should be able to shift the offices from here and start the work maybe sometime in the month of September, and quickly be able to convert this into a nice open space, a green space, and a space where tourists can really enjoy the city.